Hi there, Juliana Tomasek from julianatomasek.com. And today I have another Facebook hack for you. I am going to show you how to tag yourself in a photo. So if you're on Facebook and you have, there's a picture of you. Here's a picture I took last night. That's a really cool cup my mom got me from the quilt market. And if you look behind me, that's her quilting board. She's laying out blocks for a quilt. So the way you tag a picture is first you click on it, and that'll make the picture bigger. And if you go down to the bottom, you have some options. You can make a profile picture, or you can tag the photo. So if you click on tag, now up. You know what? Facebook knows it's me. Oh, no. So you click on the face, and it's going to say, who do you want to tag? And I'm going to tag myself. So I'm going to type in my name. And there, it's me. And even though, yes, it looks like it's tagging my cup, it's really me. And there you go. And I'm done tagging, so I can click Done Tagging. And voila, I have tagged this picture of me on Facebook. So, super easy, right? And thanks for watching today. And feel free to subscribe to my channel, please. And make sure you check out my other videos. I have lots of Facebook hacks and other cool stuff. Thank you.